Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keeping Up with MJ and I'm MJ, and on today's video I just wanted to it's actually a spur of the moment video, and I think it would still be beneficial because I got these new boots and they're super cute from Dolce Vita, and I was like, you know what, maybe I should just do a styling video and post it to YouTube versus just shooting one video for Instagram, which is not going to benefit me too much. Why not make multiple videos so that way I can cross post it on Instagram, post it on Pinterest, post it on TikTok, and post it on YouTube. So I decided to do a dedicated video about these boots. So if you ever got anything from Dolce Vita, you know they always give you this cute little card, and it says, thanks for your order, tall boots are our favorite trend this season and we hope you love your pair. So you get this, really cute, and my boots came in this big old box. So I got the Ariana boot in army green, and I'm going to show it to y'all right now because I wanted to try it on. And I took all the stuffing out of it and everything, and this is the boot, y'all. She's a little kitten heel and a little square toe, and she is adorable. Like, I love it. It's suede, it's so soft, so comfortable. I tried it on and I have some takeaways. Before I style it for y'all, I have some takeaways. So this boot is actually a little big for me, and I'm a little sad by that. I reached out to the brand and see if they can do anything about it, but even if they can't, I'm just gonna stuff the front. I'm usually a size 10, but Dolce Vita, their shoes run a little weird. It's either it's a little too big or is the perfect size. And for these boots, since I never tried it on in store and I just looked online, I guess I didn't look at the reviews properly, because usually the reviews help. But I think I could have did a 9.5 in this. So if you do decide to get this boot, go a size down from your regular size for the perfect fit. So I already have on part of the outfit that I'm gonna wear to style these boots, but I'm gonna style them, I think I'm gonna style them 3 or 4 ways. I think 4 is pushing it. I might stick to 3, but we gonna see. I already have the first look on, so it's gonna be like a leather blazer suede situation, but it's still gonna be cute. And oh, the sun, yeah, that sun is coming in real nice on my head right now. Perfect fall boot. I don't think I ever had a suede boot before, but these are kind of out of my comfort zone a little bit because of the size of the heel. Because if you know me, you know I usually go for the high heels because I'm a high heel girly. But I think, although it's a little out of my comfort zone, I think it's still going to be really cute to style. So I'm going to style them 3 or 4 ways, as I've told you guys, and I'm going to do that right now and show you guys, and then we're going to come back and talk about it. Was your favorite? I really want to know. Let me know. Was it the first, the last, in between? Let me know in the comments which looks you like, and of course I'm going to link everything in my description box. Definitely recommend these boots. I would give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. I only took a point off because I got the wrong size, but that's really on me, so yeah. But I would give it a 9 out of 10 because I think it's really a good boot for the fall. Like, you can wear this so many ways and you can rock it and stand out. So definitely check it out, and definitely let me know in the comments which one you love, which look you love. And yeah, I do have another fall shoe that I do want to do a video on as well, but we're gonna get into that on another video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, because your girl will have pieces for the fall that I think you're gonna love and you're gonna want to invest in. So we're gonna chat about that in another video. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me and showing love on my content that I put on YouTube. Your girl is trying to grow. Q4 will be my best. I know it. I'm claiming it, and God is gonna work everything out for me. So yeah. Bye. Until next time.